Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today, while we're on the hard, we're on board our 2019 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. This is the fisherman's dream boat. It really is. And honestly, this boat is about as clever as anything in Boston Whaler's lineup. I can go 10 minutes on this video telling you and showing you all the clever little things all over this boat. I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna try and keep it short. So let's start at the back. We're gonna work our way forward and I'm gonna show you a few of the features. This boat is equipped with Mercury's long-standing, infamous, and ultimately reliable 350 Verados with joystick. Those little red locks you're seeing on there are actually from the factory. You won't get those on delivery. Next up on the back of this boat, you've got an awesome split live well. Guys, this door does not do this justice. This thing puts away almost 70 gallons of live well space with a factory-built divider, whether you want to split pilchards and greenbacks for whatever your day offshore envelops. Obviously, I rave about this in my videos all the time. Incredible rear bench. On this one, they stick your boarding ladder underneath, very solid mount, and that boarding ladder locks into the floor right here when this door is open. Funny little thing about this side door, you're gonna notice right here, you've got water, sprayer. But you know what? You've got water over here too. You've got raw water in that corner. You've got fresh water at the bow. This boat, that's one example of the thoughtfulness that Whaler puts into this. Any point of entry on this boat, anything that can bring salt water onto this boat, Boston Whaler has given you an opportunity to rinse it down with fresh water. In fact, this one's got your push button engine flush. Too lazy to hook up a hose? No problem. Boston Whaler's got you taken care of. What I'm not going to get into, but under the deck on this boat, this is where you have an incredible bilge and rigging area. Your generator is down below. All your pumps, everything is incredibly easy to access down there. And Boston Whaler works really hard to do that. You've got huge fish boxes, almost 8 feet long in each floor. Another little trick to go with our tricky theme. Check this out. Want to watch your trolling rods, or you just need a little bit of extra seating that day? This seat takes really good care of you. In addition to that, guys, in some of the dual stuff that this boat does, your rear seating here looks very frilly. Gives you a full-blown rig station, place to prepare food, treats, drinks, whatever you want. Of course, they put stainless steel cup holders in here, and really just think it through. That seat back actually can lock into place either way. It gives you an incredibly stable place to work. Come forward with me, we're gonna jump up to the helm. Boston Whaler gives you, again, so much here. You've got digital controls from Mercury, backed up with their joystick system, which gives you skyhook, autopilot capabilities. Obviously, you've got power steering. You've got bolsters here, but not just any bolsters. They're power actuated. The whole line will go forward and back for you. In addition to that, if you've got someone who just needs better sight lines or the seas are particularly rough, very comfortable SeaDeck helm pad, great fold down place. Ignore the dirt. This little inconspicuous hatch right here hides a $75,000 gyro option. That's right, this 38's got a gyro, and it's incredible. Whether you're out, you're bottom fishing, and you're just keeping the boat stable, or you're making use of Boston Whaler's cabin that they put on this 38 down below. Guys, while it's small, we're on a 38-foot center console. It has almost a queen-size bed under here. You've got a full back option with a small table on it. Way more sturdy than you think. You've got a great little sink here. You've got fantastic rod holders, whether you're poisonous Tiagras or anything from the Penn lineup. You've got a bunch of storage. It goes forward behind me. Really takes care of you. Full stand-up head with a shower. Of course, beautiful veneers and teak finish. Great place to catch a nap, relax a little bit when you're out on the water. And if you really do want to relax and you don't want to be fishing that day, this boat's got Boston Whaler's premium sound system. Fusion, JL amps, JL audios with subwoofers. Let's check out the bow. There's some more relaxing up here. I challenge you to find a lounger like this. You quite literally have a queen bed in the front of this boat for hanging out. This boat is also equipped with a forward sunshade. So you can stick a sunshade that goes all the way out almost to your windlass, covers the whole front of this boat, covers your table for a late night dinner. There's loungers in both seats. Again, I told you, there's fresh water up there to rinse your anchor or anybody coming over the bow. And of course, it wouldn't be a Boston Whaler lounger if it didn't have storage underneath. Oh yeah, those are your covers. You got covers for every cushion on this boat. Really, really, really nice treat. Again, y'all, this is our 2019 380 Outrage. There's going to be a link in the video. You can grab that. We'll give you a little bit more information, put you together with a quote, and clearly, we're going to want to sea trial it. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. Come see us. We'll get you on the water in this 38. Talk to you soon.